With everything happening in the world today, the wars, the inflation, the skyrocketing national debt, we know it's important as ever to stay educated and informed. That's why I'm here to give you all the information you need to make the best decision for yourself and your family when it comes to protecting your savings with precious metals like gold and silver. I'm MJ, and this video is your golden ticket to arming yourself with the facts about how a gold IRA works, how it can potentially help you protect and diversify your retirement savings from today's mounting threats, and some simple and easy steps to getting started today. Ready to dive in? All right, let's go. What better place to start than with absolute basics? What exactly is a Gold IRA? Well, a Gold IRA is a type of self-directed IRA. This is an IRA that gives you greater control and flexibility over the assets you invest in. It allows you to invest in alternative assets that aren't found in most conventional IRAs. While self-directed IRAs require the use of a custodian who administers the account, you, the account holder, actually get to manage the account directly. Some common forms of alternative investments allowed in a self-directed IRA include real estate promissory notes, cryptocurrency, mineral rights and water rights, commodities, and of course, precious metals like gold and silver. A gold IRA allows investors to invest in gold and other precious metals while still enjoying the same tax advantages of a regular IRA retirement account. A common method of funding gold IRAs is through rollovers or transfers from existing retirement accounts such as 401k, 403b, TSP, IRA, or similar account. This allows investors to lock in gains they may have made in their current retirement accounts and transfer that wealth into precious metals, which can provide more protection and stability. Gold is a tangible asset that anyone can own and hold, and it can offer stability against things like inflation, financial turmoil, and economic downturns. And get this, transferring your previous accounts to a gold IRA is only possible thanks to a little-known provision in the tax code that could be pulled at any time. Now that you know exactly what a gold IRA is, here are the top 5 advantages to investing in one. 1. Gold can help portfolio diversification. By diversifying your portfolio with gold, you can ensure that your assets are not completely at the mercy of Wall Street for their performance. If financial markets take a downturn, if bond markets become illiquid, if stock markets crash, those traditional investment assets may all perform poorly. 2. Protection against market fluctuations and volatility. Physical gold acts as a hedge against dips in volatile markets. The boom and bust of the business cycle is all but a certainty, with stock market crashes and recessions occurring with unfortunate regularity. 3. More control over your investments. Like we just mentioned, investing in a gold IRA can also provide you with a greater element of control over your assets. For many people who may save for retirement through an employer-sponsored 401k plan, the options available to them are often limited. 4. Potential for gold price growth. There's a dirty little secret that the mainstream financial firms don't want you to know about. Gold is the best performing asset of the 21st century. In fact, it's grown significantly more than the stock markets have. With a gold IRA, you can benefit from gold stability and take advantage of future price growth. 5. IRA tax advantages. Investing in a gold IRA offers the same tax advantages as a conventional IRA. You can invest in gold with pre-tax dollars, roll over existing retirement assets with no tax consequences, and defer taxation until you decide to take a distribution. Here's where things get good. Retirement planning is not something that you start doing when you're a few years away from retirement. It's something you start as early in your career as you can. There's no substitute for time in the market when it comes to building up your retirement savings. So as you get older, you may start looking into more ways to protect the money that you've already put aside for retirement. If you have a 401k from a previous employer that is sitting idle, or if your current 401k options don't leave you enthused, a 401k to IRA rollover could offer you more investment options to put your money to better use. A rollover IRA is a term for an individual retirement account, IRA, that is funded by moving funds from a 401k, 403b, TSP, or similar retirement account into an IRA. The main difference between a 401k and an IRA is that an IRA is normally opened by an individual, whereas a 401k is offered by an employer. With a rollover IRA, investors can use existing retirement funds to take advantage of a broader range of investments than are available through 401k investments alone. And by investing in a self-directed IRA, you have even more options for investments, such as a Gold IRA. Rollover IRAs are most often created when changing jobs or retiring, as they allow employees to move their current 401k or other retirement account balances into an IRA account that will offer a better array of investments and potentially superior performance. When performing an IRA rollover, funds from existing tax-advantaged accounts can be rolled over into a new IRA tax-free. You can even roll over funds from multiple retirement accounts into a single self-directed IRA, making it easier for you to consolidate and manage your retirement savings. With a Gold IRA rollover, investors can minimize the tax impact of their gold assets as well, since distributions are normally subject to ordinary income tax rates. Particularly for those in lower tax brackets, that can result in gold held in an IRA being taxed at a lower rate than if it were not in an IRA. And for those investors who invest into a Roth Gold IRA, they won't be taxed at all on the gains on their gold investments. Rollovers allow you to move existing retirement assets from a 401k, 403b, TSP, or similar retirement account into an IRA. Since rollover contributions are not subject to the annual IRA contribution limits, they can be a useful tool in building up your retirement savings. In general, there are three types of rollovers. Direct rollover. A direct rollover occurs when a distribution from a 401k or similar retirement plan is made directly to another retirement plan or IRA account. No taxes are withheld from this rollover. Trustee to trustee transfer. This transfer occurs when a distribution from an IRA occurs and the distribution amount is sent directly from the first IRA custodian to another IRA custodian or to a retirement plan. No taxes are withheld from this transfer. 60-day rollover. This rollover occurs when a distribution from an IRA or retirement plan is made to you. You then have 60 days to roll over all or a portion of that distribution into an IRA or retirement plan. Because taxes will be withheld from this distribution, you will have to use other funds if you wish to roll over the full amount of the distribution. Because of the potential tax consequences of a 60-day rollover, people who want to move a 401k to a Gold IRA without penalty generally choose the direct rollover of trustee-to-trustee transfer. These ensure that their retirement savings are rolled over without taxes or penalties. In addition to these rollover benefits, there are two more tax benefits to consider. One, potential for increased after-tax returns. Depending on your income level and expected tax bracket in retirement, owning gold in a traditional Gold IRA can increase your after-tax returns on your gold holdings compared to gold investments held in a brokerage account or a Roth IRA. 2. Tax-deferred growth. Gold IRAs allow your gold to grow in value without having to pay taxes until you take a distribution in retirement. That could mean decades of tax-free wealth gains. If you're looking for ways to keep your hard-earned money safe from taxation, maybe it's time to start looking at a Gold IRA. Having a gold IRA could end up helping you navigate the ever-changing markets and can help secure and grow your investments. For those who have never purchased precious metals before, the process may seem confusing. That's why Goldco has put together this video to help you understand what a gold IRA is and how it works. Beginning the process of opening a gold IRA is simple, especially when you partner with precious metals experts like Goldco who know the ins and outs of this type of IRA. While it's not difficult to start investing in precious metals, you want to make sure you know all the rules and follow them so you can avoid unnecessary taxes and penalties. 1. Choose the type of gold IRA. The type of self-directed gold IRA you set up will be dependent on how you want to fund your IRA. Most people will choose to fund their gold IRA through a rollover from an existing retirement account such as a 401k, and they'll often choose to open a traditional gold IRA so that they can invest with their pre-tax retirement savings. If you're transferring or rolling over funds from a Roth account, you'll need to choose a Roth Gold IRA. You can also open a Roth Gold IRA if you want to do a Roth conversion. 2. Decide on funding source. The source of funding for your gold IRA is dependent on what type of gold IRA you open. If you open a traditional gold IRA, you cannot fund it with transfers or rollovers from Roth accounts such as a Roth IRA or Roth 401k. But a Roth Gold IRA can be funded with rollovers from pre-tax or Roth accounts. Numerous types of retirement accounts can be used to fund a gold IRA. The chart below contains information on which types of accounts can be used to fund a gold IRA. You may want to check with your tax advisor before making any changes to see if there are tax implications and confirm that your current retirement accounts allow transfers or rollovers. 3. Choose a self-directed gold IRA custodian. Like any other IRA assets, gold IRA assets need to be administered by a custodian per IRS regulations. Working with precious metals investing experts like those at Goldco can help you find the custodian experienced with gold IRA investing to make sure your gold IRA is open properly. Once you've chosen your gold IRA custodian, you can open your gold IRA. When your gold IRA account is open, you can then start the rollover process. 4. Fund your self-directed gold IRA. Once you've opened your gold IRA, you can start the rollover process. Normally, this is done by informing your plan administrator or IRA custodian of your rollover intentions. Then, you'll sell assets in your current retirement account and roll them over into your gold IRA. Your current plan administrator or IRA custodian will normally be responsible for sending funds to your gold IRA custodian. It can be very important to work with gold IRA specialists to make sure that the rollover process goes smoothly, that your funds end up where they're supposed to, and that you have adhered to all IRS regulations. While the rollover process can be simple, if you make a mistake, you may inadvertently open yourself up to tax liabilities or penalties. After your funds have been rolled over to your gold IRA, you can then begin the process of determining which gold coins or gold bars you want to buy with those funds. 5. Select, purchase, and store your gold. Now that your self-directed gold IRA is funded, it's time to choose which gold coins or gold bars you want to buy. There are certain types of gold coins that are not eligible for IRAs. That's why it can help to work with partners like Goldco, who offer IRA-eligible gold coins to ensure that you don't expose yourself to tax liability by buying the wrong type of gold. After you've purchased your gold coins or bars, they'll be administered by your IRA custodian and stored at a bullion depository. This ensures that your gold is there when you need it. By setting up a self-directed gold IRA, you can rest easy knowing your assets are protected with gold. Diversifying your portfolio with gold can be a great way to protect your hard-earned retirement savings from market fluctuations and economic crises. There's no better time than today to start thinking about buying gold. With the economy facing its fair share of difficulties, a gold IRA may be just what you need to help you protect your assets. Setting up a self-directed gold IRA can be done easily, especially when you work with Goldco's experts. Whether you want to learn more about gold IRAs, start the Gold IRA rollover process, or just buy gold coins, Goldco can help you protect your retirement savings with gold. No matter your age or stage in life, Goldco has precious metals options for everyone. They can connect you with experienced representatives who can answer your questions, offer valuable reference materials, and help you navigate the gold purchase process. Goldco is ready to help you facilitate the diversification of your retirement portfolio so you can feel more in control of your financial future. So, what do you think? Are you ready to protect your retirement savings with gold and silver? If you'd like to talk to a Goldco representative about any questions or interest you may have, use the phone number in the description below. Also, you can get a copy of Goldco's Wealth Protection Kit to learn more about diversifying and protecting your savings with a gold IRA. That link's also in the description below. If you'd like more videos about gold and silver, go ahead and click here. And don't forget to have a great day. I'm MJ, and I'll see you next time.